Hello everybody, XJoe81X, and happy Easter 2018 and happy April Fool's Day 2018. On the brush today, I'm going to be showing you how I make my version of a quick Bloody Mary. Disclaimer alert is that there are hundreds of ways of making it any way you want at whatever ingredients. The only two ingredients that you ever would need is tomato juice and vodka. You can actually make that with ice and drink it without any of the other special stuff. So I have guests coming in a little bit, so I'm gonna incorporate mimosas today, and we're gonna do obviously Bloody Marys. First thing is, you can serve your Bloody Mary again over anything. They do suggest making a Bloody Mary in a pint glass and serving it. That's a lot. We're going to do it in a Collins glass. Of course, I pre-made everything off camera. This way, when my guests came, they weren't unsatisfied with the taste test. So without further ado, here you go. You take a dry glass, put a little bit of salt. Supposed to do like celery salt or sea salt, just a little bit. Nothing worth, losing sleep over. Pepper to taste. Some people don't like the pepper, just a little bit. Nothing crazy. They said put freshly squeezed lemons and then put the lemon in the glass. Fortunately, just like every other holiday, this was the only thing left that I didn't remember to get. So you put in as much as you want. You figure how much you get out of one lemon cut in half and squeeze in the glass. Okay, so the dry ingredients go in there. Okay, here's a shaker. I'll show you why in a minute. Ice. Again, I made this prior, and I'm going to show you the technical way. It calls for 2 ounces of vodka, premium vodka. This is Grey Goose. I don't know how premium Grey Goose is, but it's fine. So again, this is called a jigger. This is 1 ounce. 2 ounce. Splash for good luck. Okay. Calls for 4 ounces of tomato juice. I have this fancy little cup here that says 1, 1.5, 2, 2, 3, 4, whatever. It was already opened and in the fridge, of course, and shaken up. 4 ounces of tomato juice. Pop. That's in there. That's that. Okay, and I forgot, sorry. Now the dry ingredients and the lemon juice is sitting in here. Tabasco. So I did about 6 squirts this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 6 was a little bit too much for me. Okay, that stays there. Now they recommend not putting this like this back in the bar and shaking it, because something with the ice and the tomato juice makes it watery. This is just the internet, okay? They suggest do this. So the vodka, tomato juice are working with the ice, not necessarily being shaken, not necessarily being stirred, but creating enough coldness where right? You do it a couple of times, obviously, if you're making a bunch. Okay, now you have your lemon juice, salt and pepper, Tabasco. It's in there. You're like, oh, ugh, what is all that? Here we go. Ice and all. Unless the customer or your family does not want ice. Perfect displacement. Obviously, this is pre-cut, a little bit taller than the glass. What do? It's not only for decoration, it's for stirring everything that was on the bottom. And it also stirs it while you drink, as the sediments and the pepper and everything will settle if you leave it for a long time. The ice will make it cold, and the celery will stir it. Taste test. Oh, there's the pepper, Tabasco. I don't taste the vodka, but correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think it's supposed to be a very potent drink. This actually is nicknamed the hair of the dog. You're supposed to drink this the morning after you've been out all night. I can see why. Oh, not for nothing. Not even just for camera. That was good. That's tasty. Just a little, which is fine for me. Okay, so again, that's it. You could add anything you want. They say also you could get some kind of salt and put it around the ring of the glass. You could get, there was a YouTube video where the guy put like pickle juice, a splash of pickle juice, beet juice. You could just, it's just a conglomerate of just anything you want to do. But for quick people here, this is tasty. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Passover. Enjoy. Ooh.